Unwrap the Sweet Sounds. The meaning of ear candy. Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into a fun and sweet-sounding phrase you might have heard before, ear candy. It's a phrase that's music to our ears, quite literally. So, if you're curious to know what it means and how to use it in your conversations, keep watching as we explore the delicious world of ear candy. Let's break it down. The phrase, ear candy, is a figurative expression used to describe music, sounds, or even spoken words that are very pleasant to listen to. Just like candy is a treat for your taste buds, ear candy is a treat for your ears. It's the kind of sound that's designed to be enjoyable and attractive, often catchy and uncomplicated, making you want to hear it again and again. Ever wondered where this phrase came from? Ear candy is believed to have first appeared in the music industry sometime in the late 20th century. It was used to describe songs or tunes that were instantly appealing and easy to like, often with a strong melody and simple harmony that stuck in the listener's mind. Over time, the term has expanded beyond music to include any sound that is pleasing to hear. How can we use ear candy in sentences? Here are some examples. The latest single from the pop star is Pure Ear Candy. It's been on repeat all day. The sound of the waves on the beach is like ear candy to me after a long, stressful week. I prefer complex jazz now, but I used to love the ear candy of pop songs when I was younger. As you can see, ear candy doesn't have to be just about music. It can also be a sound in nature or anything auditory that's particularly pleasing. The concept of ear candy is popular because it's closely tied to the idea of instant gratification. In our modern world, people often seek out quick, satisfying experiences, and ear candy provides exactly that for our sense of hearing. It's a shortcut to happiness for our ears. There you have it, folks. The phrase, ear candy, is a sweet way to express our love for sounds that bring us joy. Whether it's a catchy tune, the laughter of a loved one, or the peacefulness of nature sounds, ear candy makes our auditory experiences a lot more delightful. I hope this video has been an earful of fun for you, and I look forward to bringing you more interesting English phrases. Until next time, keep listening for life's little treats of ear candy.